guys, thank you for joining me again today, and happy Mask Monday. Hi. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Amy and I love all things beauty. If this is your thing too, then please consider hitting the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. So the mask I've chosen for this week is the Berrissom Pinacolada mask. This looks so interesting and I got it in my Face Mask Club subscription, which is a sheet mask subscription service that I get once a month. I get lovely 7 sheet masks, which is fabulous. So I pulled this one out because it really intrigued me. Now I've managed to find this mask on the website Yes Style, and you can buy a packet of 10 of these for £13.89. But they do 4 different varieties as well, which is really cool. I've wrote them down here, sorry, I've got to kind of glance down. They do Mojito, Peach Crush, Pinacolada, and I think it's Kahula milk, and they look really interesting. But the only trouble with it, they do 4 different varieties, but you can only buy 10 of the same mask. So if you like the look of this and you wanted to try it, you got to buy 10 of them. So you're going to have to really love it after the first try. Yeah, or pass them on to a family member. This mask is one of your sort of like usual sheet masks, so make sure you've cleansed your face, you've popped on a toner, and this one you leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, which is great. So I'm going to meet it somewhere in the middle for about 15 minutes, pop my feet up and just relax. And I wrote on the back here, the mask boasts, these are some, claims that it moisturises and nourishes, which is cool. It brightens and it has pore care effects. Now, it doesn't go into detail as to what those effects are on your pores, but we will see. I don't really have very large open pores, but I will see if there is any sort of like tightening effects. So it'd be cool. So I'm going to take my little sticky label off. Let's pop this on. There's the front, if you've been seeing. On the back, there is some English down here, but not a whole load. So if you do pick this mask up, I suggest using the Google Translate app. And you do have some faces here which shows you how to apply. I'm really interested to see if this actually does smell like a pina colada, which would be sort of pineapple and coconut. Oh, it does. Oh yeah. Oh, that's very nice. And on the back it says it's happy hour, so welcome to Amy's happy hour with a nice pina colada mask. So here it is. It feels really soft and it is absolutely packed full of serum or essence. I know people use kind of like different words for it. I kind of use the word serum. But yeah, so let's unfold this and we will pop it on. It feels really cool, which is nice. I'm post night shift, so I'm tired. I would like a nice cool sort of nourishing mask on my face to help me relax. I'm getting it all tangled up. It looks quite big, which is good. I've got my fluffy headband on today because I use the Sol de Janeiro hair mask, which is absolutely gorgeous and my hair loves it, but it makes my hair go poof. It just makes it fluffy, so I've got everything sort of sticking up on end. Right, let's pop this on. Oh, that does feel lovely and cool. If you don't like the fragrance pineapple, you won't like this because it's very kind of pineapple packed. If that sounds strange. Yeah, it is packed with pineapple fragrance, but I'm finding it really nice and refreshing. I do like pineapple juice and I like fresh pineapples. It's quite a nice large mask, which is good, but it's not like too large. It's actually in proportion, which is nice. It's kind of smoothing down well. It's not overly thick, as you can see. My skin is shining through underneath. But that's nice, I don't mind that. Sometimes some of the thicker masks aren't always the greatest. So, I said it's got lots of serum here. I'm going to kind of rub it in. I'm going to be popping some fake tan on probably in the next day or two. So let's kind of get my skin in the best condition I can. Otherwise I don't want to end up looking like a patchy mess. Right, there we go. Oh, it's kind of slid down a bit. It is creasing slightly, but that's okay. I'm not overly thinking about that. And we have got rather large bits here, which, bearing in mind, it does say it's pore care. We do have sort of pores around our nose, but, it is splitting a bit. Right, so here it is. It's on. I'm going to stop fiddling with it before it moves even more. But there we go, we'll have a close-up look. I like how it feels. It's warming up now to the same temperature as my skin, so it's not as cooling, but it is really nice. I don't look as strange as I normally do, which is nice. And I really hope that nobody knocks the door. The last Mask Monday I did, a delivery person knocked the door, and they had quite a shock when they saw me. Right, so I am going to leave this on for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to make a cup of tea, and we'll see what it looks like when we take it off. So I will see you in 15 minutes, guys. So it's been 15 minutes or just over. I think it's been about 16 minutes or so. And it feels like it's dried down quite well. I've noticed that this bit is really kind of flapping around my chin. But it's okay, it's quite comfortable, and it feels really cooling again. It's really weird. It's like my skin heated it up and then all of a sudden it's gone really cold. So it feels really nice. Here's the last kind of look at it. These bits are huge and they're kind of like really stretched. Kind of like a bit like a panda. A bit strange. But I'm going to pull this off and then have a look. I'm back again. And just rub in some of this serum. It is radiant. I have noticed there, I hope the camera's picking it up, that there's a really nice glow on the skin, which I really like. I'm going to get a little bit closer. My skin does feel soft, but it's not really kind of soft. But we'll see kind of, you know, what it's like once it's dried down. I will leave sort of like a pinged comment down below just to say, you know, what my skin was like when it dried. Ignore my nasties. My bite is still sort of raging in the corner. I just can't seem to get rid of it. There's still a lot of serum left on the skin, which is really nice. I smell like a pineapple, which I'm not mad at. I like pineapples, like I said, so that's quite nice. And overall, my skin just feels really nice. It feels hydrated. It's a little bit tacky, but you know, it's okay. I've got an absolute lovely glow, and I've taken 15 minutes out for myself with a cup of tea and to relax. So I think I'm win-win all round. I'm going to have a look on Yes Style to maybe pick up one of the other masks. It is a bit of a shame that they don't do a variety pack, so you can't get kind of all four. So yeah, it's going to be taking a bit of a risk. I'm quite liking the sound of the peach one, so yeah, I might pick one of those up, or 10. But what I was thinking about in the future is maybe doing sort of like a sheet mask giveaway as well. So I may pick up a variety of packets and just make a little random bundle for in the future. I will be recording my giveaway soon, in the next week or so. It's kind of like a box of goodies that I've got kind of popped by just to say thank you for all your support and kind comments, because you are absolutely lovely. You really are, and I love you loads and loads and loads. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for that. And if you are a regular viewer and you're not subscribed, because I looked at my analytics this week, last week it was 68%, this week it's 71. It's going up, so make sure you're subscribed, and then you'll be in a chance for winning this box of goodies. And it is international, which is great because we are a global family, and that's lovely. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.